One sunny afternoon, Lily decided to explore the deep, mysterious forest near her home. She had heard stories about this magical place, but she never thought they could be true. As she walked through the thick trees, she noticed something strange. There was a quiet whisper in the air. The trees, they were talking. "Who's there?" Lily asked. Suddenly, one of the tallest trees smiled and said, "Welcome, Lily." "Hello, Lily," said Grandfather Oak, the oldest and wisest of all the trees. "We are the talking trees, and we've lived here for centuries." Each tree had its own special personality. Tall Birch, the tall and thin one, loved telling funny jokes. Pine, the quiet one, always had a wise answer for everything. And Maple, well, she was always singing and dancing with the wind. "We've been waiting for you," Grandfather Oak said. Grandfather Oak's face grew serious. "There's someone who wants to destroy our forest," he said. "Malgor, a dark sorcerer, wants to cut us down and turn this beautiful land into a city. The trees were losing their strength because of his evil magic. We can't stop him alone," Grandfather Oak said. "But you, Lily, have the heart of a true protector. Will you help us?" Lily nodded firmly. "I'll do whatever it takes," she promised. "To stop Malgor, we need the magic stone," Grandfather Oak said. "It's hidden deep in the forest, but it's guarded by many challenges." Lily and Max set off, their hearts full of courage. They crossed rivers, jumped over rocks, and even avoided tricky vines that seemed to reach out at them. But with every step, the trees whispered words of encouragement, guiding them on their way. Just when Lily and Max reached the magic stone, they heard a menacing laugh. Well, what do we have here?" Malgor appeared in a swirl of dark smoke, his eyes glowing like fire. "I'll take that stone, little girl," he sneered. But Lily didn't flinch. "Not if I can help it," she said. The tree's magic surrounded her, glowing bright and strong. "You won't win, Malgor." Magic filled the air as Lily stood tall. The trees sent strong winds and roots to defend her. Malgor hurled dark spells, but Lily's heart was strong. With Max by her side, she held the magic stone high and shouted, "This forest is protected by the power of nature." A bright light exploded from the stone, breaking Malgor's dark magic. "No!" Malgor cried as he fled into the shadows, defeated. The forest began to glow with life again. The trees grew tall and strong, their magic restored. Birds chirped and the flowers bloomed. Grandfather Oak smiled warmly at Lily. "You saved our home, brave one," he said. The trees all joined in, singing and dancing with joy. "Thank you, Lily," they cheered. Lily smiled. She knew this wasn't the end. It was just the beginning of her friendship with the forest. As Lily walked home, she looked back at the magical forest. The trees waved their branches in the wind, as if saying goodbye. "I'll always protect you," Lily whispered, "and I'll share your story with everyone." With Max by her side, Lily walked back home, knowing that the forest would always be there, and that she would always be ready to help whenever it needed her.